So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful nude smoke marble nail design with some gold. Pretty simple for beginners also. But before we go ahead and do this nail design, go ahead on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then come back and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I've already got the old acrylic of the nails using my tornado bit. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. Now I'm applying 2 coats of my super bond, and I have already got the old acrylic off, as I said before, and also the cuticles and prep the nails. I have a video in detail how I do that, so I will put that for you guys in the description box below. And now I'm going to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic, and as you guys know, this is to prevent any staining or any lifting or any, staining to the natural nail, and to protect the natural nail actually. So that's what I'm doing on all the 10 nails, and yeah. Okay, so when I'm done applying the clear acrylic on all the 10 nails, I'm using this Bear acrylic, I think, this cover Bear from Young Nails, to apply on all the nails. And as you guys know, I use the one bead method, and I'm just applying it to the cuticle area, not at the cuticle area, because I want to use the tip of my brush to dab, press into the cuticle area and drag it into the free edge, as you guys know. And as you can see how many product I'm wasting. I just have to work on that, you guys. I just waste so much product sometimes. I just have to work on that. But I'm not perfect. I'm just still learning things every day. So yeah, you guys, bear with me. So I'm applying that on all the 10 nails, and actually I have a video in detail how I apply the acrylic as close and near as the cuticle area as possible. So I will put the link also of that video for you guys in the description box below. And one tip that I always give you guys is, don't forget to point the nail downward, so the acrylic won't drip into the cuticle area, but it will drip to the free edge. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to repeat this step on all the nails. So this is how the nails look after application, and now I'm going to use my medium crit bit, and I'm using my e-file on the medium to high speed to shape the nails and to smooth down the surface of the nail. And you guys, if you're still here watching with me, I really want to take a moment to thank you guys. Thank you so much for being here watching my videos and supporting my channel. If you're still here watching, I think it's a shame that you're not subscribed yet. So go ahead on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. It will really help my channel to grow. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Let me know by commenting a brown hearted emoji in the comment section below. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language, papiamento, will be you know what, you guys, let me know in the comment section below what words you want me to translate for you in my language, papiamento. This time you guys are going to say to me what kind of words you want to see or you want to learn in my next videos. Okay, so I will be waiting for your comments. And now I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. And now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. So here I have a plastic sheet, and I'm going to apply some stripes of gel polish, some white gel polish, a brown, a beige, like a nude kind of color, and then I'm just repeating that step 2 times. You will see how many stripes I'm going to apply, but I'm doing this to create that marble smoky effect. Later on I'm going to use my dotting tool to like create that marble effect. I'm just like swooshing into the gel polish with the dotting tool. You can use anything to create that, but I'm using my dotting tool. As you can see, I'm sorry, I don't know why my camera wasn't focusing. My camera was just not focusing in this video at the times that it needed to be focused, so I'm sorry for that, you guys. But I just did that, and now I'm grabbing a flat small brush that I have and just dragging that to grab the acrylic on the gel polish on the brush, and now I'm slowly dragging that into a smoky marble effect. As you can see, it's not focusing again. I'm so pissed off. But I'm sorry, you guys, I did my best. I was so focused on the nails that I didn't see that it wasn't focusing. But you can just drag it along the nail and just play around with it. So I saw that it needed a little bit more brown, so I just went in with my dotting tool and just grabbed some more gel polish, some brown gel polish, and just, you know, until I'm satisfied with the outcome. And you guys, try to make this, or try not to make it too thick, because gel polish, when it's too thick, it's going to wrinkle and it will not just cure properly. So make sure it's not too thick, and you know, just play around with it until you're satisfied. And if you want to apply more acrylic, I'm just keep saying acrylic, gel polish. If you want to apply more colors from the acrylic, you can just use your dotting tool to do that. And yeah, and just play around with it. This is just easy that you, especially for beginners, you can just play around with it, and you know, it will just look like a smoky effect. It depends what color you use. You can actually use every color you want. So I'm doing that, and when I'm done doing that, I'm going to cure the nails, and then I will be left with a tacky layer from the gel polish when they are cured. And then I'm going to use some gold leaves just to give it a little bit, you know, a little some. So as you can see, I'm just applying some gold leaves to press on the tacky layer of the cured gel polish, and you know, not too much, just some little spots of gold. And when I'm done doing that on all the nails, I'm going to apply my gel top coat and top off all the nails. So now I'm going in with my top coat and topping off the nails. And when I'm done topping off the nails, I'm going in on my lamp and cure the nails for like 2 minutes to make sure they are properly cured. And then I will show you guys the end result. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. I'm so satisfied with it. This is the first time that I did a nail art like this. I just love it so much, and it's so easy for beginners because you can just play around with it. Take your time. If you don't like the outcome, you can just get the gel polish off before curing it and apply it again. And you don't take your time, play around with it, you know, play around with colors. Love it. Don't forget to share this video if you've liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you've liked it. I really hope you've learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.